Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
If you're encountering the procedure entry point could not be located in the dynamic link library binkw32.dll error, it's typically related to a game or application failing to find the correct version of the binkw32.dll file. To fix this, try reinstalling the game or software first. If that doesn't work, you can download a new version of the DLL from a reliable source and replace the existing one in the Applications folder. Always ensure you download from reputable websites to avoid malware. Running a system file checker scan can also help fix corrupted files that might be causing the issue.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.